Oh, you know, catching up with Mom.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my
soul of a dragon.
Her girlfriend, girlfriend, I will be your girlfriend. I will be your girlfriend. I will be your girlfriend.
Oh, their job is so much cooler.
I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
What the fuck are you looking at? You can't touch this.
Oh, girls just wanna have fun.
I've read it like 7 times. There's this water dragon that sprays boiling water at your face.
Stutter, stutter, stutter.
Is that the island we're going to?
No.
How about that one?
Also no.
That one? Is that the island we're going to? How about that one?
For the last time. Oh, no.
Maybe your ears don't work so well.
Yeah. Too bad my nose works just fine.
Keep your hands off my girl.
Thanks. A thing.
Ice, ice, baby.
Just let me show you. Please, Astrid.
No, let me show you.
I got the eye of the tiger.
Oh my God!
Do you know what your problem is, Kirk?
What?
You're a moodle.
A moodle?
A man poodle. Girls, they want to take you out on a walk, they want to feed you, they want to cuddle you, but no girl wants to do the moodle.
No one would ever do a moodle.
Maybe you'd rather taste a punch in the face?
Way to go, Astrid.
What's going on? Where are they going?
Wait, did they leave?
What's happening?
What, did they never come back?
I